You did it!
What did you do, Jax? What did you make? Are you going to put that one in too? Okay, put that one in too. Go put that one in. Don't pull on that. You'll break it. Yep, grab that part. Put it in there.
Is it too heavy? Is that part for Daddy? Thank you, Jax. You're a very good helper. Oh, is that my piece too? Carry it, pull. 2 hands. Good job. Good job. Thank you. All right. Which one's first? This one first? Perfect. Hey, can you go straighten up? Can you straighten that part up in the stand? Straighten that up in the stand. No, the big one in the stand. Oh dear. Okay. You got it? Good job. Give me a high five. Great.